Welcome to Thara's BI Hub. Today our lesson is Power BI Interface Walkthrough. This is our agenda. At the end of the session, I'll provide you a quick demo to create Power BI charts. This is home screen. You can see here recently opened file or recently created Power BI modules. In this side, you can see Save As, Share, Get Data, Import, Report and Publish options. At the edge of the page, you can see Sign In, Options and Settings and About. If you want to create new dashboard, you can click here. This is ribbon and tabs. You can see in this picture File, Home, Insert, Modeling, View, Optimize, Help, Format, Data or Drill like that tabs. Those are available in Power BI Desktop. The key actions are Get Data, Manage Relationships and Themes. This is Report Canvas. This is a very large white space. Actually, this is central workplace for building visuals. You can drag and drop fields to create charts. As well as you can click here in this plus mark, then you can make multiple pages. In here you can see bar chart, line chart, pie chart, maps, table and etc. And as well as under the visualization you can see formatting option. Using this option you can add colors, labels, legends for your visualization. It will be create your visuals more attractively. As well as you can add slices for interactivity. This is Filters pane. Using Filters pane, you can add filters for each single visuals or filters on that page, or you can add filters for all the pages in your model. This is Visualization pane. According to your requirement, you can select bar chart, pie chart, donut chart, gauge, cards, matrix, table, slices as well. As well as in here, you can see the format visuals under visualization pane. Actually, this can use for make very good attractive dashboards with change in colors, labels and legends. This is Filters pane. Once you create visualizations on one single page or multiple pages, if you want to set filters for that single visual, you can use filter on these visuals and you can enter here what are the fields that you want to filter. If you want to filter for all visuals in the page, you can set here to filters on this page. As well as you can use filters for all pages in your model. This is status bar and navigation. As I discussed earlier, once you create multiple pages using this add mark, and then you can rename the tab, then after that you can click on the each and every tabs for navigate your specific tables, specific pages. As well as you can use these options to zoom in or zoom out of your visuals. Subscribe for Thara's BusinessIntelligence tutorial. Comment your questions or errors. Let's build dashboards together. TharaBIHub.